How to create an event on Google Calendar. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an event on Google Calendar easy and fast. So first thing, go to Google Calendar. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and click on this little option and click on the event here down below. And now add the event name, for example, let's say sport event. Now add, if you want, the event all days, the time, the repeat. You can add people, add video conferencing right here, and add your location, and add a reminder for 30 minutes before the event, and choose the color of the event like this. Add a description, and the last thing, you can add an attachment. After you finish, click save and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much.